fast like Nick. He ugly as fuck. All right, y'all, what's going on? We back with another video, and today we at a legal pit. Once again, y'all already know what it is. Got my boy VL right here. You feel me? We in that.
Good warrior
Oh
shit,
God, man.
Star shit, man.
Oh God, bro. Y'all gotta see this nigga G, bro. Clean as fuck, bro. Y'all see it, man. We finna get some good work in, man. We just pulled up. Got a C6 in front of us. Feel me? And yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, follow, subscribe, everything. And yeah. Y'all, it's snacks outside. Get me snacks. Oh, bullshit. Oh my God, buddy. There's a lot of snacks out here. There's a lot of snacks.
Man, Bloggy, get your man Breeze.
Yeah. Y'all see him with the cut? Hold on. What you got in your hand? Bro, I gotta get my camera, bro. This shit look good though, yo. Look at this motherfucker. So y'all already used to this, man. We got the legal pit, man. Yeah, do all that shit. Nah, take your oil change over 5K miles, man. Fuck up them motors, man. Oh my God.
That's somebody like Breezy. I told you, he.
Oh, he about to take somebody fucking. Oh hell nah. What you think about?
Somebody told me.
That shit look cheese. Look, they looking like dots in that motherfucker.
Nah, for real? Oh my
Hey, bro, you seen them though? They was looking like some cheese. They look like some dots.
We gotta go get Richard. We gotta go get Richard.
Oh shit! Is that SD? Look at these He in the cut. Oh my God, yo! Thank you.
Bougie ass niggas ain't won.
This nigga crazy. He says,
Punk ass niggas.
man, my fault. Bruh, you in the cut, aliens and shit. He in the cut, man. Oh my God, man.
We could have came up here, bro.
Son. It's Tonka, man. I see it. Alright, guys, so we walking towards the pit. We had to stop for SD. My God. Oh my God, buddy. What? Yeah. Y'all see it, man? Y'all not even seeing them sneaky Kirkstar shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all see the shirt, the pants, everything.
You know, niggas don't be fly when they drive.
No, for real. Yeah, we getting there. We're getting, man. Let's take us up to the vlog, man. Yeah. What's going on? Kirkstars everywhere. So we worldwide. Let's go, bro. Bro, tell them we worldwide, bro. Kirkstars everywhere.
Shit go whenever look.
Nah, for real.
Everybody else put up right now. Hey, Ma.
That's why I ain't even bring that
What's wrong with that nigga? I don't even know.
I ain't even bring my stickers and
They was like, we just right. Man, this vlog finna go crazy. I just dropped.
Day, man.
Yeah.
Day, man.
Oh God.
You know what I'm saying? Janky is on the vlog.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna have a good little, you know what I mean?
Hey, he get you right too, man. God. I forgot to fix my bag.
My ass take the
Back to back Kirk stars, man. Yeah,
We outside.
for sure. I see an M240i in the wilderness. How niggas looking, man? Niggas looking. Feeling like cool on this joint. It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. Look at SD, he ore farming. Look at him.
Oil farm.
Ore farming ass nigga.
Look, he heard it. He heard it. Oil farm. You hear me?
He in the lab. What's going on? Huh? What's going on with it?
My motherfucking wheel stood. That
said
bitch
it-
got stuck. You see, I told you them dumbass stuff.
By any means, I'm gonna get y'all a video. F5 comp right here.
Yeah, we got it. We in there, bitch. We in there. That's what they talking about.
Alright, y'all, man. We on the camera with it now. Man, I got Peasy with me. You know what I'm saying? Damn. Got the other guys with me. Y'all gonna say what's up to the vlog, man? That's why. What's up with y'all? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Good quality now. Well, it was already good quality, but better quality. Hold on. Finally got my camera, guys. I think this is 330. It's getting dark. Y'all, the vlog not even over. We going to Baltimore tonight. We finna go get some snacks. I mean, what's up, y'all? I know the light kind of fucked up, but the meet is over. They ended early. If you don't know who SRT Dime is, he has like a half and half pink. Oh my God, y'all see my boy Peasy shit, man. If you get under these, you might as well not leave. My man got you. All right, y'all. We done with the car meet shit tonight, but we on some other shit. I got my boy KD.
We going to the party tonight.
Yeah.
Gonna see. Stay tuned.
Oh God. Ooh, I heard that. That's blow right there. Hey, Shop.
In that joint.
Yeah. What's the word? What's up? I was just my boy Jew, hey, my man, Judo, I'm real proud of my man. That was funny. I ain't gonna say nothing.
I don't know, bro, but hey, yeah.
Yeah, I see y'all soon. He gonna see y'all soon. I'm proud of my mans, bro. Like, this really my mans. I knew he could do it. Hey, we'll see y'all soon, man. We in the car. Probably finna chat. I don't want y'all to be all in my face. Catch ya.
That bitch fine, nigga. That shit fine. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah, the Jew. That's gonna be you, nigga. Let him take the lane. Blink your lights. Blink your lights. Blink your lights. Blink your lights.
Look, y'all, we back outside, but we on the phone because this nigga car was not charging the camera. But anyway, my boy get a new car on motherfucking Monday.
G37.
G30 Wang. About time. Congrats to my motherfucking boy SAW's VQ Jew back, you know what I'm saying? Back on that fast shit. Lane takers in effect. For me. We all shot over there. Bro, why the fuck you keep taking shots? What?
I'm addicted to.
Nigga, give me that fucking watch, nigga. It's a cardio, yeah. Let me get that on you, Shaw. Look at that on you. What the bro, like, bro? I ain't gonna lie, I'm just trying to go to the party. These niggas bugging. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga got a bedazzled shirt on with Under Armour. Never seen it. Never seen that combo before at the end of my life. Yeah, take the time. No, don't break it. He needed to sell it. So all of you, look. What you do is you look, hold it.
How about you just do it? How about you just do it?
Watch nigga lab up. Watch nigga lab up. Look at Did we do that? And you already know that we fucking up the map. Where the fuck the bag at? This the bag right here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Then we gonna put it on your wrist. Bad bitches got big tits. Hey. You know I got a long. I ain't gonna say that in front of mommy. Oh yeah, put that motherfucker on. Oh, he got that motherfucker on. He got that motherfucker. Us. Stupid. All right, y'all look. Hey, bro, we trying to get around Cherry Hill. Y'all know where that's at? Cherry Hill.
Y'all don't want that scooter for real though.
Yeah, like, hey, show me a trick. Show me something. Oh yeah, he race. Oh, he race. Oh, he got him. Oh my god.
Nah, he wild.
What the fuck?
Wow, this shit.
What the fuck?
Where my camera at? I need to get my
Marco
shit
got
out.
the dumbest niggas. This nigga ran in front of 2-3 cars.
Nigga said I'm a 2-color blue on the avenue.
Public safety. Damn, Sam, hide your bitch.
We go G-Shop. Come on, Meezy, get in that bit. We go G-Shop.
Here we go. Power Rangers,
yeah.
assemble.
Hey, get the fucking. Hey, get in here so I can take a picture. Get in the picture so I can take a.
Nigga Jew. Yeah.
Man, get in the pic. No, nigga, we
Burr.
got that. No, nigga,
Burr.
like Power Rangers, nigga.
Burr. We got all the flavors. Skittles, licorice. Hold on, bow.
Yeah,
Power Rangers, assemble.
So can we assemble real quick though?
Okay. Are you ugly? Fuck you on the stepdad shit. Nah, for real, them little ass quenchers. Look at you, he look like an old ass potato. My fault, bro. Fit though. Look, my man, look how he came. I thought it was Under Armour, but it ain't Under Armour. What is that? What is that car?
Lululemon.
I don't even know. Alias jacket, alias fitting. This better than yesterday's fit. You feel me? And he had
You
the
mean?
blessings
Tell
on
him up.
Hold on. Let me see. Let's get to the party, bro. Fuck all this playing around shit.
Walked in with the spike on my back like a fin. You drop some racks on them on 10, they gon' spin. Shot him in the face, he ain't straight for the shit. Blowing shit up like Osama bin. Only love the gang, we some narcissists. I'm a young nigga while they fuck around the party whip. I pop that, they fuck around the spot the blitz. G up, they come out the cup with that bloody stick. Stick in the back and I ain't do no tussling. I'm so shite, they might take out my kin. Bitch, I'm so shite, don't like where I begin. Weed in my bag, I run around daily sick. Talking yo, bitch, I swerve out, then I drip. My heart did beat and this bitch got the skip. Shout out so love, but that was just out the script. My life get a tip. Can't trust your love, party playing both sides of the fit. They're the best that I can, I made the most out of mix. Guns to my partner, they call me Bo Nix. Never gonna stop fucking thought that I will.
Alright, chat. So, about last night, man, we came to an end, man. I'm just waking up screen like 12. It was fun for me, so make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we on with another video pretty soon. So I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. Road to 1K. Continue to show love.